question. If you eat a half of one chocolate bar and a third of another, how much chocolate have you eaten in total? If your brain instantly screams 5 over something, you're on the right track. If not, don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking the mystery out of adding and subtracting fractions. No confusion, no panic, just clear, simple maths that actually makes sense. So here's the deal. You can't add or subtract fractions until they are the same type. For example, you can't add halves and thirds directly because they are split into different amounts. The slices aren't the same. So let's add a half and a third. First, you have to find a number that both denominators fit into. 2 and 3 both fit into 6 because 2 lots of 3 fit into 6 and 3 lots of 2 fit into 6 as well. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 3 and 2 are factors of 6 if you want to be extra fancy. Now you need to make equivalent fractions. So a half times 3 over 3 is equal to 3 over 6. And a third times 2 over 2 is equal to 2 over 6. Once you made equivalent fractions, you can add the tops. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, a half plus a third is equal to 5 over 6. Boom! Equal pieces equals easy maths. Let's crank it up a notch. What if you got 3/4 plus a half? There's 2 separate ways of doing this. Option A, just like you did before, you times the denominators together. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Then you make them into equivalent fractions. So 3/4 is equal to 6 over 8 and a half is equal to 4 over 8. Then adding them together, 6 over 8 plus 4 over 8 gives you 10 over 8, which simplifies to 1 1/4. The other way, option B, is you find a common denominator by doubling. 2 times 2 is equal to 4, and you've already got a fraction over 4, so you can just times a half by 2 over 2 to get 2/4. Now you have 3/4 plus 2/4 is equal to 5/4, which, just like before, is equal to 1 1/4. You landed the same result. That's the magic of equivalent fractions. You're just resizing the slices, not changing how much you actually have. Now for subtraction. Same rule, same vibe. Let's try 4 over 5 minus a third. So exactly the same. First, you make the denominators the same. So 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 4 over 5 is equal to 12 over 15. And a third is equal to 5 over 15. Then, instead of adding, you subtract. So 12 take away 5 is equal to 7. Your answer is 7/15. Simple, neat, and done. Whether it is additional subtraction, the only real rule is to make sure the denominators are equal before you do anything else. Remember that, and you've got this. And that's it. Fractions sorted. So now, next time someone panics at the sight of a denominator, you can be the hero who saves the day with a quick common multiple. Don't forget to hit subscribe, because next up, we're tackling fraction multiplication and division.